Everybody, Mr. Bone here, and we are looking at the week of May 18th to the 22nd. We are almost there. If we were still in the classrooms and everything would be so exciting, and you guys would be getting nothing done and all that kind of fun stuff. So here we are. Let's take a look this week. You want to keep checking Skyward, and you want to make sure that you are filling in any of the holes that you see in Skyward. If you have zeros or low scores or whatever, keep checking on that. I will be putting in the last week's activities into Skyward after I send this video out. During the middle of making the slideshow in the video, Edgenuity went down. Some of you are already aware of that, and so it's going to affect even this video. So I can't even put grades in right now. So I'll have to do that after Edgenuity comes back up. I will be sending out email as soon as I get word from Edgenuity that things are back to normal. So keep looking in Skyward and trying to fill in any holes or gaps you have there. And you're going to be working on cultural characteristics of the United States and Canada. Just looking at some cultural things that we do and say, and you know, everything from baseball to the Canadian coin system, all kinds of stuff you're going to be looking at. So work on that this week. And then some good news, we are cutting class. The last two assignments are going to be cut. I know some of you, I think we've even already have those already done. And so, you know, it's not like you've lost anything. If you're done with them already, hip, hip, hooray for you and everything else. If you're not done with those last two assignments, I will be taking those out of Edgenuity as soon as it comes back online, so that what you will see is that next week you'll have your very last test. So you'll have this week's assignment, and then next week you'll have a test, and the week after that, which would be the last week of school, will just be for everyone to get caught up on whatever's going on, so that you have plenty of time to make sure you got everything done and get them to me so that I can get the grades in before June 5th. I will probably be making the final due date that Wednesday before, which would be the 3rd, June 3rd. So think about that and try to make sure you have everything done by then. That gives me 2 days to get everything graded and input. So that's where we're at for this week. Good news, right? A little bit less to do at the end of the year, coming right down to the wire. Last assignment, next week's a test, and that's all you got going. So have a great weekend. I will see you guys all later. So much time available for you to go back and fix things that were in real school all the way up through the Edgenuity stuff. Please do that. Let's not get into a situation where we have to worry about what's in second semester summer school and what it looks like. All right. So get all that stuff done. I'm going to go down to one live meet per week. When we first started off, many people would pop in and say hi, and we had some stuff to talk about. And I think it's just getting to where people don't need it anymore. They don't need as much information. They don't really have as many things to say. We've already looked at everyone's pets, and we've talked about what you're doing and what you're watching and all that. So I'm going to go down to one live meet per week instead of two. It'll be at Wednesdays at 10 o'clock or 10:30. Sorry, 10:30. And so I'll post those in Classroom as usual at like 10:25, so that you can get into the meet and hang out if you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine. You don't have to. You know, we have some regulars that come, and I'm glad that they come. If they didn't come, we wouldn't have a meet. But if you don't want to come, you don't have to. And if whatever's going on isn't floating your boat, then you can go ahead and leave. You don't have to stay the whole time either. Remember, 3 weeks to go. That's it. June 5th is our end. So there's not a whole lot more time that we have to do this. Keep up on what you have, make up stuff as you need to. And other than that, I will see you guys. I'll probably make another video on Monday for you. See you later.